One. That's it.
Yeah.
Straightforward to the point. Now let's feel it again. See if it's moving.
I have been getting adjusted with Dr. Nagalot since I found out I was pregnant with Victoria.
It's not about adjusting the vertebra. It's about creating a motion in a vertebra that needs more motion. This is called the activator. Basically, it's kind of acting like a force directed in a specific pinpointed direction. So it's very specific. These are the amount of force in Newton. This is level 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 levels of force. We're going to use level 2 with her. Now we're going to check the neck. Now I want you to put your hand just like this. You're going to feel the suboccipital area. One. That's it. That's it. So that was her first adjustment. Baby Victoria at the age of 3 months. She is the first patient to be recorded on video for the year of 2026. Right?